Okay, stand up, girls and boys. Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Thank you. I'm very good. Take a seat. We'll begin our lesson. What day is it today, girls and boys? Day in which day? Yes, thank you. About date?
27th of January.
6. Very good. What's the weather today?
It is cold.
Yes, today is very cold. Yes? Thank you. Let's begin our lesson. In the last lesson, we learned about the poems and about the right of human melody. Do you remember it? Yes. And what is it? Yes. In this, we have four questions. You must choose one of them, read the question, and answer the question. Okay? Please, who is ready? Okay. The next one. Sorry.
When was Herman Melville born? Herman Melville was born 1st August 1819.
Thank you. You are right? Yes. The next, please, Imran.
When did Herman Melville die? He died in 1991.
And 1991?
1891.
No.
28th September.
Yes, thank you. Right here. Thank you. Good. The next.
Which was Herman Melville is the first novel.
First novel.
Herman Melville was the first novel Israel Portrait.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And the last question. Okay, good. Come here.
When was Moby Dick published? Moby Dick was published 1851.
Really? Yes. Thank you. Very good. Sit down, please. Excellent job. You are right. And before beginning of a new lesson, we watch a short video. Okay? Okay.
Енді асау жайықтың ар жағында тұрып қол созуға да шыдады.
Okay, thank you. What do you understand and what do you think about the video? I think in Kazakh lecture, do you read the poem and what you feel about it? Yes? And today we speak about yes, right you are. Our theme is Khajibek. And please look at my hands. What is it? In the Ra have acids. I divide into two groups. The red acids and green acids. Red acid is Khajibek and the green Cholegek. Thank you. Come here and choose one of them. Khajibek and Cholegek. The first group is Khajibek. The second group is Cholegek. mark and your points in this. Task number 2, task number 3, and task number 7. Conclusion. Do you know? On the task we have a descriptor and you look at point in the task. Okay? Do you understand me? Yes. Let's begin our lesson. Open your book and the copybook. Open your book at page 58. And please read task number 1. There is some information about Kızılcık. Please, who is read? On Asıl? Okay, Asıl, begin.
Kızılcık is a beautiful folk poem from Kazakhstan with a similar story to Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. In 1934, the composer Yevgeny Bruslovsky and the poet Abid Mussorgsky based the first ever Kazakh opera on the poem. Sultan Kochikov also made a film of the story in 1972. Years later, the Astana Opera, which opened in 2013, put on an extremely successful production of Bruslovsky's opera.
Okay, thank you. Do you understand, girls and boys? Who is translate and ask some information in Kazakh language? Okay.
Kızılcık халық ауыз әдебиетінің ғажайып поэмаларының және оның оқиғасы Шекспир жазған Ромео және Джульетта.
Оқысаған, иә?
1934 жылы композитор Евгений Брусиловский және жазушы Ғабит Мүсірепов оқиғаның алғаш қазақ операсын жасаған. Сұлтан Қожықов 1972 жылы оқиғаның алғаш фильмін түсірген. Жылдардан кейін 2013 жылы ашылған Астана опера Брусиловскийдің қойылымының керемет қойылымы.
Керемет қойылым болған, иә? Жарайсыңдар. Excellent. You are right. And the next. Beginning of our lesson, you must learn a new vocabulary. Yes? Do you know about it? Please begin. Listen and repeat. Okay? 1 minute.
Once upon a time.
Repeat.
Once upon a time.
Okay. Translate in Kazakh language. Қалай? Жарайсыңдар, келесі.
Awful dream.
Okay, translate. Thanks. The next.
Beloved.
Okay, translate in Kazakh. Okay, right you are. Very good. The next.
Beside.
Okay, and translate. Very good. The next.
Bravely.
Translate. Yes, right you are.
Cliff.
Okay, and translate.
Desire.
Hello. Okay, the next. Hello means copy, yeah?
Effort.
Yes, thank you. Right here.
Enemy.
Okay. The next.
Gift.
Gift. Okay. And both.
Ground.
What is it?
Ground.
1 minute. Жер. Почва дегенimiz ана. Эми кургакта жатат. Топrak. Yeah? Okay, thank you. Very good. Excellent job. We haven't more time and please don't write like in your vocabulary copybook. Open your vocabulary copybook. Only tick these new words in your vocabulary, okay? And then last lesson, the next. You must learn the new vocabulary. Yes? Okay, please. Be quick. Blue. Be quick, I'll give you 1 minute. Tick. What about you? So, okay. Thank you. Close your vocabulary. The next task is using the words, new words. You must listen the text. What is it? And you must listen the new task. You must listen about Kashibek and discuss each other. Okay? Please begin. Listen. You have audio in your laptop. Audio. Open your audio. Yes, please. Now what is script? Listen to text and discuss and pay at 2 points. Okay? Okay? Are you ready? No. First. Okay. And please, you must talk about the story in pair. On Kazakh language, English. Okay? Just each other. You must talk each other. Discuss. Жесть сабақтар менен де көп сөйлейсіңдер ғой. Мен дауысын естімей тұрады.
Баяғы өткен заманда әкем қыз жібек туралы жазған болатын. Романда поэмада ол туралы енді ол әдемі және ақылды жан туралы жазған болатын.
Okay, thanks. Right here. The next task. In your book, you must at page 959, exercise number 3. What is it? Quiz, yes? I have individual one. I give quiz with ана жақта төртеу болған мен тартып екеуі қостым, иә, кішкене. Individual word. In right variant, you must tick in this paper. Yermurat. In right variant, you must tick in this paper. You must write your name. Анық жазамыз атымызды. Your name and tick your right variant. Okay? Individual word, not in pair. Please begin. Okay? I think 2 minutes. Read the task and choose the right variant. Okay? Сұрақтарды бір жерден алған жоқпын. Текстен тыңдадық, иә, тексті? Okay, very well. Excellent. Individual. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
The first group, are you ready?
Yes.
And the second?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, please. Give me. 1 minute. Okay. Thank you. And please look at the platform and check your answer. Isaiah? Excellent. Out here? Just Arnold. Arnold. Okay. Nigit. Shugula. 100. Asam. Excellent. Who is this? Okay. Shahzad. Shugula. Shugula nega sen chiqmadi? And Gulay. 1. Gulay. Sorry. Okay? Shugula so'zini tekshiring. Nega istedingmi? You must stick in your assessment criteria. The next. Okay, are you ready? The next task is thinking time. I have a poster. You must write or tick adjective about Khushibi, Tulagan and Bekesha. Please begin. I'll give you 3 minutes. In there you have adjectives, more adjectives. The second group. Shahzad, you must tick about adjective. Khushibi, Tulagan and Bekesha. You have adjectives, more adjectives. Okay? Begin. Stand up. In English. Bless you. Your mother bless you. Она с 7 смел. The first Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Come here. Tick on blackboard in your poster, and you must presentation your poster. Tick tick. Jobsa visit. Yes. Okay, 1 minute. No, don't look. Olma. Okay, begin.
First, should be intelligent, famous, beautiful, heartbroken.
This one, young, broken.
Okay, and Vikijan? Okay, thank you. What about? How are you listening? You alright?
Everything is right.
Thanks. Please, what about the second group? Blame. Blame is Живек, yes? Begin.
Живек, heartbroken, intelligent, beautiful, famous.
And what about again?
Again, strong-willed, handsome, and young.
Because I'm wicked and ill.
Thanks. Very good, yes?
Yes.
Thank you. Sit down, please. I'll give answer in this one. Yes? Okay, thank you. The next. Answers. Describe all that.
Yeah.
The next task. Also. The next task is individual work with clickers. Okay? Sorry, with word work. Şimdi clickers just miyim aşıp gitti. With word work. You must read the sentences and choose the right one. Okay? For example, the first sentences is 5 and the second, okay? Begin. Okay, and this. Okay, we'll begin. It's a very interesting game, yes? And please read. Okay, Arnold, come here. The first sentence, yes or no?
Intelligent said to go and meet Kızılbek.
Respond. Translate.
Intelligent
Answer. Yes, thank you. Okay, Chocolate, come here. The next. The second.
Живек, intelligent, met and fell in love.
Fell in love.
Живек, intelligent, разумея шоколад.
Молодец. Thank you. As I said.
Because decided to kill Intelligent.
Vikijan.
Intelligent will trace it.
Молодец. Thank you. Also now,
Vikijan and his friends killed Intelligent. Vikijan ve dostları Intelligent.
The next. No.
Vikijan told Живек that Intelligent was big.
Please, я так не вижу. Все? Я да.
Vikijan told Kızılbek that Intelligent was big. Vikijan Kızılbek.
Vikijan не...
Kızılbek Intelligent.
Окей, ашина бутпиш. Насыр моя. Аударып бер. Бекежан told Кызылбек that Intelligent was... Не извините. Бекежан не айтыпты Кызылбекке. the fifth?
Қыз жібек woke up from a horrible dream.
Қыз жібек не көрді? Жаман түс көрді. Иә, ал алтыншы?
Бекежан told қыз жібек that Төлеген was dead.
Бағана аударып, иә? Thank you. Sit down, please. And ең соңғы. Керек енді. Ермеген бір керемет нәрсе қосып бер енді. Оңай ма?
Қыз жібек жартастан секіріп қайтыс болды.
In English?
Қыз жібек jumped off a cliff and died.
Thanks. Very good. Sit down, please. Балалар, не забывай, assessment критерияны не істемейміз, ұмытпаймыз. Кім шықты, кім жауап берді. Енді қате болғанда кішкене балды не істейміз? Қазір мен сендерге көрсетем болады, жарай ма? Okay, read the events, put the events into order and evaluate each other. Дұрыс қой балалар? We give 3 points. Okay, the next task is conclusion. Ең маған ұнайтын сабақтың ең жақсы көретінім ол conclusion. Бағанадан бері бір нәрсе істеп жатырмыз, иә? Әйтеуір бір істеп жатырмыз. Енді оны не түсіндік? Ағылшын тілде жеткізсеңдер, мен де мына жерден шыққанда, мына бір сөз болса да, екі сөз болса да ағылшынша үйреніп кететін болды деп айтамын өзіме. Okay? And in this task, I have a very beautiful and very cards, yes? I'll give you cards with question, and you must answer the question in English, only in English, okay? And discuss each answer. Do you understand? I'll give you 3 points, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Siz ана топқа қоясыз сұрақты, ана топ сіз жоқ, өздерің жауап бермейсіңдер. Бір-біріне сұрақ қойсыңдар. Ана топқа сұрақтарға жауап берсеңіз, ол үш болып келеді. Okay? We'll begin. Кім бастайды? Балалар бастасыңдар, Төлеген тобы бастасын. Ал, please. Көрсетесің, өздері оқысын. Асылдайсыз ба? Please.
Қыз жібек and Төлеген and Бекежан.
And thank you. Sit down, please. Who was in the story? На подумай. Енді кішкене басқаша кім айтады? Full.
Main characters of the story are Қыз жібек and Төлеген. And side characters are Bazabay and Bekecan.
Okay, thanks. Very good. Sit down, please. The next. Gulem. Who did the story begin? How did? Sorry.
Төлеген wanted to meet her жібек.
Еще.
Қыз жібек a beautiful woman, intelligent.
And famous. Thanks. Sit down, please. The next. What was it? Мен өзімдігін білемеді. Маған қай жағы ұнайды? Ал сен демеші. Who is answering? No. Who? No. Қайсына? Шұғыла? What's up? Ол болып кетеді, аналарға кетеді.
Қыз жібек and Төлеген meet in Northfield. And Төлеген decided to meet қыз жібек.
Thank you. Удовлетворена? story and oh my god. No. Okay. Oh. Azire?
Живет Jordan is Живет jumping is cliff.
And Khujibek's.
Heartbroken.
Yes. Thank you. Sit down, please. The next. Business round, please.
What's happening next?
Енді ол болжам қалдар. Соны қалай өздерін ойлайсыңдар? Қалай жауап берсек болады? Sit down, please. Maybe. What do you think? Asana, Yermurat. Anlamışsınlar mı? Кім көмек істеді екінші топтан? Бірге айтайықшы. Мысалы, қазақша қалай айтсақ болады?
Әкесі қарсы болғанына
Өкін. Оны оңай сөйледі. Оны ағылшынша қалай айтамыз? Father. Сосын? Ал, ермеді. Не ойлайсыз?
Families of the young Khujibek and Soligan regretted that they did not let them marry each other.
Можно так закончить? Можно. Thank you. Sit down, please. Здесь сейчас нас выручил кто? Окей, the next. Соңғы сұрақ қалды ғой. Ана тоқтады тағы берді.
What was the problem in the story?
Of two couples of two kinds. Failure of two couples to connect.
Maybe. Еще? Тағы? Қосатындар бар ма?
Intelligence and the Khujibek families were animal.
Қарсы болды, иә, бір-біріне. Олар қандай болды? Бірақ қалай болды баға? Yes. Thanks. And соңғы сұрақ. Асыл сенде қалды, сізде қалды. What was the story about? Енді бағанада бері айтып жатырмыз, иә? The story was about Okay, excellent job. The next, please, look at me. What is it? Görсеңіз. Асыл, Айзере, Шахзат, Гүлайым дегеніміз ол не болды? Ол сендер тоқтады, иә? Ал мыналар шығады. Біздің жігіттермен сұлу қыздарымыз, иә? Қазір сендер check and your points and you must write in this paper your points. Okay? 7. Got you? Yes. 3 points. Be quick. Okay. Please. Okay, right you are, very good. And asıl, 9, Ayzire, 8, Şahzat, 8, Gülayim, 7, Alanke, 7, Arnold, 7, Ali Nur, 8, and who is this? Yemurat and Shula. Very good, excellent job. Your home task, open your diary and write your home task. Your home task is, please write. Do you have a diary? I see. Okay, stand up.